IB Physics Higher Level Year 2 is the second of the 2 years that Upper St. Clair has set aside for the IB Physics Higher Level students. Prior to signing up for IB Physics Higher Level Year 2, you must have completed IB Physics Higher Level Year 1. The students that will be enrolled in IB Physics Higher Level will already have covered the core material during the first year of the course. The core material included physics and physical measurement, mechanics, thermal physics, oscillations and waves, electric currents, fields and forces, atomic and nuclear physics, and energy, power, and climate change. During Year 2, we will not only review the first 8 topics that make up the core of IB Physics, but we will also introduce the following material: motion and fields, thermal physics, wave phenomena, electromagnetic induction, quantum physics and nuclear physics, digital technology. Then the following 2 options are typically selected since IB does require students cover their pre-selected 14 topics and 2 additional options. Option G, electromagnetic waves, and option I, medical physics, are our typical options. All of this material is reviewed, covered to help students get ready for their assessment at the end of the year. Similar to the first year, the second year of IB Physics HL includes the following activities and assessments. There will be lectures where students will be actively participating and taking notes. Students are required to spend at least 5 hours outside of class a week to help prepare for class and to work on homeworks and laboratory assignments. The types of problems in this course are both multiple choice and then short and long problem solving. There will be classroom summative assessments, which will be mostly unit tests. Internal assessments are laboratory experiences where we follow the IB Physics rubric for internal assessments, and then the Group 4 project where students will work together and then present their findings. The first 5 bullet points will make up the student's grade at Upper St. Clair. These grades are given in the form of A, B, C, D, or F. Below the horizontal line are the components that make up the student's IB Physics score. IB will include the internal assessments that have happened over the 2 years of this HL course, the Group 4 project, and then at the end of the IB Physics HL Year 2, students will be required to take the external assessments. These are at the expense of the students. They consist of 3 different papers. The first paper is multiple choice only on core material. The second paper includes short and long problems on the core material. Now this core material is the core material for the higher level student for both paper 1 and paper 2. And then paper 3 is focusing only on the 2 options that were listed at the end of the previous slide. This will include short and long problems and no multiple choice. Again, the IB score that will be recorded for the IB Physics HL student will end up being in the range of 1 through 7 and will include the last 3 bullet points that are under the horizontal line.